Hi guys, I just received the Raceseng shift knob. It comes in a box like this. I've ordered it sometime in November or end of October or November, I think. And now it's the 2nd of January that I received it. So it's a custom made one. However, I wasn't gonna make a video of this, but then so I ripped it a bit and I changed my mind. I just thought if the video is alright, I'll upload it after the video. So this is my invoice details, I think, and the box is that. So it comes with this packaging. Okay, I think this is the R-lock. And here is the shift knob. Okay, let's have a look at the R-lock first. So it says R-lock Toyota 86 Scion FRS Subaru BRZ. There you go. Pretty nice packaging. And wow, it's a bit dark, eh? It's a Saturn translucent. R-lock. So that's the inside of it, and Saturn, it looks pretty cool. It's pretty dark. Yeah, it's pretty big too, eh?
Whoa, so
that's
cool.
Something there. Just let me close it. Okay. Let me open this, and this is the. I've ordered the charcoal translucent Ashiko. So that's the packaging. That's the card that you get with it. One of that. Okay, it comes with its own whatever you call it, and you can adjust the thingamajig here for the gate. But I did not get one engraved. Yep, there is a bit of weight to it. I've got one with a white. Wow, just holding it like this. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, that's a charcoal translucent. Alright. By the look of it, alright. Because the reason why I chose this is because online there was a review about it. It says it looks like a wet look, but for me, from this light that I have in the house, it doesn't. It's not what I have expected to be. Okay, let's see that. Right, the color looks okay. It doesn't look spectacular. Maybe I did the wrong color choice. How do you think it looks, Jessie?
I don't know.
It looks plain, eh? Yeah, to me, I thought, well, at least I got it. So that's a charcoal translucent. Alright. Yeah, it's not what I was expecting from the pictures of Google. I've never seen a video about charcoal translucent Ashiko on YouTube. So I thought, like, especially if I make a little video about it. And this is a Saturn R-lock. Maybe on the car it will match with the interior, maybe. But yeah, so that's how it is, eh? Yeah. You're making it look cool. It's not what I was expecting. That's all I can say. It's not what I expected it to be.
But it's right.
Yeah. Alright. So yeah, when I put it on the car, it'll be on the car.